Hello traders, in this video we are going to be diving into an effective indicator that can transform your trading strategy, okay? And that is the big free indicator. Now this indicator is designed to simplify your technical analysis by combining trend, structure and momentum, okay, to generate good signals both in the bullish direction and in the bearish direction. So if you're struggling with market trends, unclear signals, or bad trade entries, then you will want to pay close attention because this indicator eliminates the guesswork. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best trading tools and strategies. Now let us get started. So what is the big three indicator? The big three indicator is a trading tool that filters out weak trade setups by ensuring that a trade is only triggered when all key conditions are met. All right. So unlike many other indicators that rely on a single factor, this one looks at three critical aspects of price action, which include trend, structure, and momentum. As for trend, it identifies when the market is moving up or down. You can see in this particular example, the three lines of this indicator alongside these shady areas are showing clearly that this is a bearish trend. All right, you can see that when the blue line crosses below the purple and the orange, and the purple line is below the, when the blue crosses below the purple and the orange is below the purple, it shows that there is a bearish signal. And if you look closely, you're going to see a red arrow pointing downwards. Alongside that, we can see that this shaded area is shaded in red. So these three signals aligns. They aligns for a sell, and you can see that we had a significant decline. Okay, when the blue line crosses below the purple and the orange crosses below the purple, and then you have this red shaded area starting to form, and you have your red arrow pointing downwards, that is a sign to enter a sell trade. Okay, then your structure confirms the formation of price patterns that support the trade, and momentum measures the strength of the trend before entering the position. So combining the factors of trend, structure, and momentum, this indicator gives you signals that can, be quite effective. It does not guarantee profit, all right, but the signals can be quite effective to an extent. Okay, remember that no indicator is foolproof, so there could be false signals sometimes. Okay, please take note of that. But the combination used by the indicators help traders try to minimize false signals and enhance the accuracy of their entries. Now the big three indicator works by plotting colored arrows, as I already said, which tell you exactly when to buy or sell, and alongside these hatched areas and these moving average lines, all corresponding together to direct you on the prevailing momentum and precise entry and exit points. Now, because the indicator focuses on high quality trade signals, it ensures that traders avoid weak trends and unreliable sector setups. Okay, what makes this indicator effective is its simplicity and versatility. All right, because it tries to eliminate the need to analyze multiple indicators separately by combining everything into a single easy to read tool. Here's why traders love using it. Okay, one is that it works on all time frames. Whether you are scalping on the M1 chart or holding trades on the D1 chart, the rules stay the same. Okay, and also there is no second guessing. The indicator only triggers trades when all necessary conditions are met. Okay, and that helps to reduce hesitation and improves confidence. All right, finally, it saves time. No need to manually analyze multiple indicators. Just follow the signals and trade accordingly. All right, so using the big three indicator is quite straightforward. All right, just have to wait for a buy or a sell signal. When the arrow appears, just check that all three conditions align, that the arrow is pointing in the downward direction, and you have your bearish crossovers from the moving averages, and that you have these hatched areas in red. Once those three conditions align, then you can, make the step of entering a sell trade, and then you can set your stop loss at this area. You can see the area is going to be identified. The stop loss area is going to be identified by the indicator. So you can decide to use the stop loss level that is given to you by the indicator. Okay. Then for your take profit, you will notice that the take profit is also identified by the indicator. Your take profit level is also identified. You can see take profit first target. You can actually customize it though. Yeah, you can customize it. Okay. And then you will notice that the big three dashboard also helps you, know the current sentiment in the market. Yeah. So you will notice that once the conditions are aligned, you're going to get your precise entry point and suggestions of possible stop loss and take profit levels. Then you can execute your trade accordingly. Set your stop loss at the area where the indicator suggests, if you are comfortable with that area, and then set your take profit at the area that the indicator also suggests, if you are comfortable with that level as well. So it's pretty straightforward. All right, it's pretty straightforward. But ensure that you always get confirmations. Okay, make sure that the trade setup makes sense within the overall market structure. And then if the signal is valid, you can place your trade accordingly, and make sure you use stop losses and proper risk management. Risk management is essential, very, very essential. Okay, make sure that you use good risk to reward ratios, and do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. It is very necessary. All right. Now, the big three indicator is quite an effective tool for traders who are looking for a simple yet effective way to identify trade opportunities. All right. It combines trend, structure, and momentum into an easy to use system, making it effective and valuable for beginners and advanced traders alike. All right. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on more powerful trading strategies and tools. Okay, let me know in the comments if you are using the big three indicator or if you have any questions. All right, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.